Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do a voiceover because I was going to talk and then I was on the phone to my friend for like the whole video, or even before the video I was on the phone for so long and I was like, I don't want to end the conversation, but I need to do a video. So I did the video while I was on the phone. So this is some cute hairstyles that are really easy and quick and simple to do. So I hope you like them. So just skipping out what just happened because I was talking, we're just going to go straight into the braid. So you do a normal 3-strand like plait braid, and you only take hair from the outside, not from the inside. So from where the edge of my face is inwards. As you can see, I've been a little bit stressed lately, so my hairline is a little bit thinner. So just ignore that, and you just want to do normal braid the whole way down, and then, well, as far back as you can see, as you see me pull it back, and then I put an elastic, a band in to keep it safe, and then I do the exact same thing on the other side, and just taking hair from the outside and none from the inside. And you can see the stress little hairs at the front are there, but we're just going to work with them while we have them. There's nothing we can do. And then we tie the elastic band down, and I take the rest of my hair down, and then I pin it up just so I can tie the hair around the back. This hairstyle is done with no heat. I think all the hairstyles in this video have no heat, but all of them are optional to have heat in it. So then I pull around the back and clip it at the back. I don't think I turned around to show, but I just got another elastic band and just tied it in. I use really fun, colorful ones that aren't good for your hair. So if you want ones that are better for your hair, you can buy ones that don't rip your hair as much. So my hair had a little bit of a kink in it and kind of basically straight. I didn't mind how it looked, so I didn't bother going in and like curling it or straightening it. I just added a bit of back comb. I don't think I added hairspray just because it was on the camera and I was doing another one straight away after. But this is the hairstyle. I hope you like it. I also blow dried my hair a few days before this, so that's why there's a little bit of a wave in my hair. But I'm doing a whole video on how I'm taking care of my hair to get it back in better condition. So that's coming. So on to hairstyle 2. So the same concept as the first one. I just started braiding and I completely winged this hairstyle, and I think it worked out in the end. So I only took hair from the front of my head. Now I'm very conscious of not having hair around my face. I like to have hair down, whether it's like 2 bits of straight hair or curly hair. I always do it. So I was really trying to go out my comfort zone with some of these hairstyles to embrace my forehead, I guess. So then I just did the braid halfway down, and then I pancaked out some of the hair, and I really just had to mess around with this look till you get exactly what you want out of it. So you could do more pancaking that I do, you can do less. It's really optional, completely up to you. And once I clipped it back, I was trying to work out what to do with the other half of my hair. Because as I said, I was on the phone, so I was concentrating on the phone. And I decided to just leave it. And I thought it looked really cute and simple. And again, you could curl your hair, straighten your hair, whatever you want to do. So on to style 3. I love this style and I wear it for work so often. And it looks so cute with hairstyles. So split your hair in half, twist it into a little bun. This isn't the best hairstyle to wear every day to protect your hair, but it is a cute and fun hairstyle to have under your belt. And as you can see, I've just speeded up this time times 2. Literally took me less than a minute to do, and it always feels super cute with this in my hair. And you can wear it, like I said, a little hat with it, a hairband, and it just looks really cute and simple, and it's so easy to do. One side of my hair is thinning out a little bit more than the other at the moment. So one bun is always a little bit smaller, but I try fluff it out so that it looks a bit thicker. And you just need a few clips, or you can use a bobbin, some cute clips to clip it in, but that's basically the look.